We got one. Yeah, let me add a comment, copyright intended. Sanbonani, guys. You can.
Hi guys. Ufuna season connect la.
Yeah, on the tripod.
Okay guys, this is on another phone here because something weird was happening on my phone when I was live. So let me just put you on a tripod. Right, guys. I'm sure you're shocked to see my face, ne? I'm sorry guys, I stole the owner's phone. I'm sorry guys, we're playing 30 seconds, ne? Ish.
Hi guys, we played 30 seconds. We are suffering. And then we were teams of boys against girls. The boys, mabasida when it comes to soccer. Yeah, when it comes to soccer and the names of actors, especially the boys. I'm telling you. Come on! Come on!
Yeah, she foam.
Man, you find copyright.
You found on copyright.
Let's go TikTok. TikTok ain't copyright. Yeah? TikTok doesn't have copyright.
Yeah, TikTok and copyright. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so for the live.
Yeah, I don't want them to give us issues. Somebody, guys. Okay, Clara, mina manje, ne? Okay. We're playing 30 seconds, guys. I see you. There's no mean this clearly. I'm the only sober person playing this game. That's why and it was 3 to hold. That's why it was 3 to hold. Even talk to finish share. I'm like, play like this one. Didn't you spin 2 times? When? Now I saw you.
No, guys, listen, I'll speak.
You spinning it. I know my sister. Yes, I know my sister. That's why I'm spinning them. Let me see the comments. Guys, guys, it's my reception. My reception is so bad. I know you guys are saying I must wipe my screen. My reception is just weird. I hope you right, see guys. It's blurry. Oh look guys, I don't know what's going on with my network. I love you too guys. My network is so weird. Let me try and wipe this. Okay, for what? Yeah, okay, for what? Guys, I don't know what's going on with my screen. If you guys yeah. Is it better now? I'm nangazi guys, I hope it's better. I think network cam is buffering. Sanbonani! Guys, I see you. 30 seconds is fun. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's take the 2. Let's move. So I told him, I was like,
okay, send it 2.
Okay. I trust you can do it.
Nice.
Guys.
Oh,
okay.
Okay, out
yellow.
See pet?
Yeah.
Oh, you move after time.
Gorilla.
The movie.
The Godzilla.
What the fuck is it? I'm a what?
Queen.
King.
King Kong.
King Kong.
Well done.
You know this guy. If it's not Russian, it's
What?
If
Bacon.
it's not Russian, the small one.
Vianis.
Yes. And then
Dog. Type.
Nina,
gorilla to me.
We hate her. No, we hate her at this point.
Hello, guys.
Keep progressing.
Okay, so let me try and switch the camera. Hey, one thing about me and this phone is Nishem. Guys, think I use the phone. Hey, I want to let group play streets. Let group play, guys.
Okay.
How long is your trip going to take? Not long. Hey, we still have a lot of work waiting for us in Joburg, guys. Machine is here. We're happy to got to us. Hey, guys. I got lost. Yeah? Sorry. It's Kathy. It's Kathy.
But guys, I didn't even tell this thing. You guys were supposed to.
Guys, you said.
We got three.
Guys, no.
There's no way. There's no way. There's no way.
Whoa.
Would you date Mshini? Of course. Mshini is hot and she has an amazing personality. And I like her very much. Mshini, would I date you? I would date you. Huh? They asking if I would date you. Oh, girl, I would date you. I would date you. But ukuphilile asimazi. Hayi wena Mshini man. Mshini is Philile is not around, guys. She's in KZN. Who is leading? Mshini. Mshini's not leading. I'm leading. And Mandy. Where are you guys? Sister Artis. Nokoko. Lots of love from Eswatini.
But you can see
Shout out to Eswatini. Shem only Philile missing. I can see Mandy.
Guess what? She's my cousin. Nandos.
Okay, oh, okay. Jalan, guys. Jalan, guys.
I was easy come, easy go.
Christmas.
Another brand is a model. Kune VW, kune Polo, kune Polo, kune Ford.
Take your time, when I'm sure.
Another one.
Take your time, when I'm my love. You're doing so great.
Yes. And then there's okay, I'm Basla.
Okay, so let's three.
Three good.
No, we got 3 rights. Then -1, which is 2 points.
You guys got 2. You guys got Christmas.
Christmas.
The rest, Ayuka Oranje, Ayuka Ellen.
Hey, you guys got 2.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, one thing about 30 seconds.
I
only asked it because I only asked for the card. I only asked for the card. No, then it's full of Okay, let's go. Okay, let's do like this. Let's hey. Rest.
And then I'm
Oh yeah. Sorry. Guys, Mama, you can move yourself.
Guys, I think you're praying at Sinila, please.
Rest.
Why must move it?
No, but Mama, let's go on the board. No, -2, but hey.
Okay, I suka.
-2.
How are you looking at you like?
1.
It's fine.
Like
minus.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the story of the girl, not Snow White,
Cinderella.
the other one that Abuza. Yes, before Abuza Mendy. Yes. And then in the pool, in South Africa, we were the first ones to invent this thing. South Africa, ikini pool. Ikini pool. We invented it. That's South Africa. Yeah, look, Africa. Man, okay, move. If you can't,
Time.
that's Africa. It's the creepy crawly. Yeah, I'm dancing. Yes. That vacuum thing. Yes. It's a creepy crawly. It's a creepy crawly. Yes. Crowley. I was about to tell you. Guys, to me it was easy. Just that, you're not dumb. We don't know things the same.
Rolling the dice, guys.
What do you call this thing? It's in a pool.
Oh, you guys.
Can you guys tell me? What do you call that thing? In a machine, guys.
That is a vacuum.
When we want to go overseas, where's the first place? Paris? No. I want to move to.
Guys, what do you call that thing? It's in a pool. I just got it wrong. So I have to know if you guys know it.
The US is what? United States of America. Okay,
Time.
No, shit, America. We'll give it to you. Hey guys, one thing about 30 seconds, it'll make you fight. Okay, hi. Utana, United States of America. Yo, angsazi mina ukuthi ngizini. Guys, ngitshontshe iphumla machine. Hello, I'm looking.
No, you said that's what I
I heard
You're supposed to say American. Look at the United
No, I'm the United States. She's the United States of America. Okay, I didn't take it. Let's it's fine. It's fine. I don't know what I heard. Sanibonani guys. Who's this? I also don't know the pool cleaner. Hey guys, that's the pool cleaner le. Londi kwa mina, I don't know it. Serene, yes. Sanibonani guys. Yeah, we are screaming. Yo. Nice. Okay.
Locked in. I will not Okay, the game no time to
Mina?
Yeah, in the Big Brother house. You choose. You just get
Mafia. The mafia.
Yes, thank you.
Yes.
And then like coke man. You know the lesson for some little like
Oh my days.
I'm fully with yeah pools on it.
Yes.
It's clear.
Yes.
But it has acid.
Sparkling water.
No, it has acid and flavor, not it's
Acid
not
and
water.
flavor. It's not water.
It's a
Drink. Kool-Aid.
no.
Why?
Okay, black mamba.
Cold drink. Fanta.
Black mamba.
Yidlo. Hayi ngimtsonga mara ngifunda isitsonga, ngitsonga sasifunda. Kankari mara kufika hayi I'm still learning my tsonga. My tsonga is horrible. I was not in. Mara isikhathi 0 bengisithole. I mean, it's torn. Yes, but we move.
We are moving, but
We move. So, hello, mama.
Even though it takes time, you get there in due time.
Yes. Yes.
no, even in storm.
It will take time, but it will happen. Yeah, basho njalo. Yeah, guys, my Tsonga is horrible. My mom umZulu, mina ngifundisa isiZulu neSiswati. And then my dad never taught me Tsonga, and I learned the little things here and there. But she did say America, as in simnigile, guys. Simnigile machine.
Oh, I sound so
Guys,
nice.
when I send some kudulela.
Oh my gosh.
But it sounds so
I sound so nice in the speak Tonga.
Yeah, you do.
Tata Tsonga queen. Tata Chauke. Yeah, it was this cartel.
Oh my
Guys, come on.
Maybe we need to.
I
Yeah.
sound so good.
Guys, listen, 30 seconds.
But hi, but Upusis. Where is Swiss?
So good.
What is?
Where is Swiss? My name phone it.
Yo, must be ngaba
I think Use. Yeah, no, ngiyaphuma ku live, guys. Ngiyanithanda ne.